There's a secret ingredient in today's recipe that might surprise you. Howard shows us how to make his French onion soup in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
This time of year, there is nothing better than sitting down to a bowl of something hot and comforting, like a steaming bowl of French onion soup topped with French bread and melty cheese. If you think this is something you can only get at a fancy restaurant, you're in for a surprise. Today we start by sauteing a good amount of onions in butter until they start to caramelize. Once they do, we add some beef broth, a bit of black pepper, and our secret ingredient, some apple cider. We let this simmer for a bit before adding some Parmesan cheese and a splash of red wine. While all the flavors come together, we'll melt some Swiss cheese on slices of French bread. Now, doesn't this look amazing? The whole thing from start to finish takes no time, yet it tastes like it cooked all day. From the moment you put your spoon into this, it's comfort in every bite. It's rich, beefy, and the onions are so sweet and tender. And the cheese topping, as they say in France, ooh la la. I suggest letting everyone try to guess what makes this taste so amazing before you tell them about our secret ingredient. To get the recipe for our to die for French onion soup, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an internationally fancy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.